Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing, and today I have another pair of Air Jordan 1 Metallic. So here I have another pair of shoes from, I don't even know what to call them, Boring Studio or DeveloperBoring Studio, developed by Boring Studio. Very well packaged, just like last time. And in the last video where I unboxed the green metallic, I talked about the whole metallic series. It's an OG pack, even though it wasn't called a pack back then. When the shoes got first released in 1985, DeveloperBoring Studio, we really loved them. So OG colorway or OG pack, but Nike haven't sort of cared about them, and I don't understand at all. So these, I can show you the shoes first. So two pair of white laces. I was hoping to get purple laces. Maybe it was just something wrong here, because I do think that I'm going to get purple laces with them. I hope I will get purple laces. But I got more shoes coming from them, so I hope it was just something wrong. And yeah, thread, loose thread, but that's how it is with custom-made shoes. But this I will actually show them, because it looks like the shoes aren't sewn together. So that was not okay at all. Yeah, the shoes are not sewn together. And no purple laces. So what I wanted to say, I'm not happy with these actually. I'm usually very happy with their shoes, but and some threads can be cut off, that is okay. And the purple should be more stronger in color. And a bunch of loose threads here as well. And it looks like, I don't know if it's on purpose, because you should get that custom-made feeling, but it looks like the shoes are not sewn together. All right, so the metallic series, what I wanted to say was that Nike have sort of released them twice. These, the metallic purple, also called court purple. I lost my thought because I got so disappointed about the threads. But otherwise, they smell good, they feel good, look good. But I don't know if the purple is correct. And I really do want the purple laces. So 1985, maybe 1986, Nike released these, the metallic series, and the purple ones have been released in 2009. But in 2009, when they got released, they had a Jumpman on the heel, even though it was a high top and not a mid. Even though it was an OG colorway, so yeah. But the purple ones was only released in UK for some reason. And then in 2021, they got released again, then only called court purple, not metallic purple. So court purple, and they were shiny but not metallic in the color. I would probably post a picture or something. And they looked really good, seemed to have really good leather, but was only released in women's sizes. So my size US 12 or US 12 and a half. No. So biggest women's sizes, I guess, are like US for men, US 10 and a half, I think. Yeah, 10 and a half. So released 2009, looked like the mid, UK only. Released in 2021, women's only. And it's always like that. When it's something pink or purple, we can't get them. So now the Air Jordan 5 35th anniversary releasing now on Saturday. Soft pink, I think they are called as well. They are not released in Europe. I don't understand at all. So these shoes, I will get in contact with them and ask about the treads, because it looks like the shoes are not, they're missing like a centimeter or something where they are not sewn together. And I will ask them about the purple laces. And you will have to check my blog post to see what they say, how they respond about that. And tomorrow I'm getting the metallic orange. So check out for that video, and maybe I'll have an answer about this in the next video. I'm tired. Thanks for watching. I was looking forward to get them with purple laces.